Hey up guys, here we are son. And this is what I'm saying under here. Been a long time innit guys, eh? Bit of oil up there leaking around here. Oh, there's a problem here today. Up there. That there needs to be, I've got to put a new tube in there. I've got to weld that little bit there. I've got to weld that bit in there. Got where the earth wire is. Just got to weld this in here. Oh, fucking get up there. And that's about it really. Oh, fuck me, look what I just noticed. Up under here, look. Hang on, let me turn that light off. I think we need that all the way, actually, yeah. Fuck. Okay. Oh, shit. What the fuck? That's an MOT failure, ain't that is? Fucking hell. She's only just started rotting, Bush. That's main structure as well. Fucking hell. That's fucked. Oh well, that's what you get for not slowing down on you piece of shit. Fuck off, cunt. Yeah, that's caving in. Fucking hell. That's caving in. Well, that's fucked it now, isn't it? Might have to lift the shell up to do that. Otherwise that rubber's gonna burn. What the fuck, Moose? Yeah, no, that's an MOT failure, that is, guys. Wow, I didn't notice that. I never noticed that before. So there's actually more work than what I've actually expected to be done. I'm not going to worry about that one too much. This motor's got to go soon. This motor's got to go for another Jiminy soon. I'm going to get another one. Fuck it. I'm going to have to get another one soon, you know. Honestly, guys, that she's rotted out already. Oh, it ain't too bad though, so I mean, I've only got to weld that fucking bit up there. Weld that up here. And weld that up there. Alright guys, I'm going to let you go, I'm going to get cracking. Bye for now, and it's back. Have a good day. Fountain's coming up.